Here's the quiet truth. The skills that actually create freedom don't trend, don't flash, and don't scream success. They live in silence, building power while everyone else is busy polishing the wrong talents. In a world obsessed with visibility, performance, and noise, the real masters are busy disappearing. They're learning things that no algorithm rewards. Skills that no conference headline mentions. You see them sometimes. Sitting in quiet cafes, eyes steady, work clean. They move differently, like they know something the rest don't. They aren't hustling for applause, they're preparing for autonomy. Meanwhile, others chase attention. More titles, more posts, more noise. But attention is a poor currency. It depreciates fast. Control, on the other hand, appreciates slowly. Think about it. How many people spend years building a career that pays well but owns their time? And how few spend those same years developing skills that buy their time back? True high-income skills don't announce themselves. They build quietly, like compounding interest on your attention. By the end of this video, you'll understand 12 such skills most people overlook. The ones that build not just income but independence. The kind of money that doesn't need validation. Because the goal isn't to be noticed. The goal is to be free. Skill 1, the discipline of deep focus. Lucas worked in digital marketing. Every morning, his inbox erupted, clients, deadlines, meetings. For months, he chased all of it. Fast replies, endless multitasking. His days ended blurry. Then one morning, he turned everything off. No phone, no tabs, no chatter. Just a 2-hour block, one client, one objective. The work was cleaner. The clients noticed. In 6 months, his rates rose 40%. Focus isn't about effort. It's about silence. When you learn to protect your attention, your output multiplies. Distraction feels busy but creates decay. Focus feels slow but compounds. In a noisy world, uninterrupted depth is a rare asset. One that quietly raises your value. Every task, every moment you guard from chaos adds equity to your reputation. Attention is your first investment. Protect it like capital. Because in the economy of performance, those who master depth are paid by those who can't stop scrolling. And when you can sit still in a world that can't, you're already ahead. But mastery of attention leads to something harder. Mastering your worth in words. Skill 2, negotiation without noise. Ava didn't talk much in meetings. When review season came, she didn't list achievements or over-explain. She walked in with a chart showing how her strategy raised revenue. Then one quiet line, "This is the value I've added." 3 minutes later, she had her raise. Negotiation isn't argument. It's alignment. It's the quiet confidence to state worth without performing it. Most people think they need to speak more to win. In truth, silence is leverage. Every extra word can sound like doubt. True professionals position themselves long before they ask. They build proof into their work so the ask feels like a correction, not a plea. Learn to sit with silence after your proposal. That pause, that quiet, is where power gathers. Because when you no longer chase validation, others start offering it. But even the best negotiation fails without the third skill, emotional regulation. Skill 3, emotional regulation under pressure. Daniel led a team through a product crisis. The system crashed, clients threatened to walk, panic filled the room. Everyone shouted at once. Daniel paused. 10 seconds of silence. Then, let's fix one thing at a time. That pause saved a contract worth $500,000. In business, composure is currency. The ability to think while others react separates the wealthy from the weary. Emotional control isn't about suppression. It's about precision. It's knowing when to wait, when to move, and when to say nothing. Most people burn opportunities by defending their feelings. Calm people multiply them by defending their focus. Every emotional overreaction taxes your decision quality. Every pause compounds it. In a world obsessed with fast takes, calm becomes rare, and rare things are expensive. The next skill proves it, the art of saying just enough. Skill 4, the art of subtle communication. Ellie once led a presentation. Others used slides, metaphors, buzzwords. She spoke for 2 minutes. 5 sentences. Simple, clean, final. Her manager leaned back and said, "I trust you." Subtlety builds authority faster than volume. You don't earn respect by explaining more, you earn it by needing to explain less. Clarity is invisible influence. The more precise your words, the more credible your presence. Every filler word dilutes value. Every pause sharpens it. Learn to make your sentences land softly, not to impress but to express. Because noise attracts attention, but silence holds it. And once you master silence in speech, you're ready for the next invisible skill. Self-awareness, the internal compass behind every quiet success. Skill 5, self-awareness as strategy. Owen wanted to be a leader. He tried managing teams, motivating others, speaking louder. It drained him. Then he noticed something. He was best when alone, solving deep problems others avoided. He quit leadership, built a consultancy. 1 year later, he made triple the money and 0 presentations. Self-awareness saves decades. It removes the friction between effort and outcome. Most people chase versions of success they don't enjoy. They waste years climbing ladders that lead to nowhere they want to go. When you understand your nature, you stop forcing your path. Freedom isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right thing, for you. And once you align your work with your truth, the next skill becomes natural: consistency. Skill 6, consistency without excitement. Liam started a finance channel. The first 40 videos barely hit 100 views. Friends told him to pivot. He didn't. He kept posting, quietly improving. By month 18, one video took off, 500,000 views. It wasn't luck, it was math. Consistency is compounding disguised as boredom. Everyone loves the start and the finish, no one loves the middle. But the middle is where wealth grows. You don't need energy every day. You need structure. Consistency turns chaos into predictability. It transforms small routines into systems of growth. The most profitable businesses, the best investors, the calmest minds, all share this. They act the same on good days and bad ones. Discipline without drama. And once consistency stabilizes you, the next skill makes you sharp: pattern recognition. Skill 7, pattern recognition in chaos. Ethan ran a small consulting firm. Instead of guessing what clients wanted, he tracked patterns: when they renewed, when they ghosted, when they spent more. Every quarter he adjusted pricing and outreach. 2 years later, revenue doubled with fewer clients. Pattern recognition turns randomness into foresight. Most people call it luck when it's just observation. Every cycle leaves clues, in markets, people, even your own behavior. The difference between noise and pattern is attention span. Learn to notice what repeats, because what repeats reveals truth. Patterns aren't glamorous, but they're predictive. And once you can predict, you can time. Timing, the 8th skill, is where intelligence meets restraint. Skill 8, the timing of decision. Noah planned to expand his freelance agency. Everyone said, "Go now." He waited. 3 months later, new software made his process twice as efficient. He scaled then and saved thousands. Timing beats talent. A rushed yes costs more than a delayed no. Most people mistake movement for progress. They act fast because it feels productive. But wisdom isn't speed, it's rhythm. Good timing comes from stillness, the patience to wait until action feels inevitable, not impulsive. Because every choice compounds, and compound interest rewards those who can wait. The next skill shows how the wealthy survive the waiting: perspective. Skill 9, perspective under pressure. During a market crash, Lucas didn't panic. He didn't refresh charts every hour. He zoomed out. Quarterly. 2 years later, while panic sellers regretted, his portfolio quietly doubled. Perspective is the bridge between stress and stability. When others zoom in, the wise zoom out. Pressure compresses vision. Fear makes moments look permanent. But everything passes, wins and losses alike. Step back. Breathe. Remember that no single trade, argument, or month defines your life's direction. Perspective is profit disguised as patience. Because those who can wait through chaos own the calm that others can't afford. That calm is built on the next quiet skill: listening. Skill 10, listening that builds leverage. Emma once met a potential client. She asked one question, then listened for 20 minutes. The client said at the end, "I trust you." The deal closed that afternoon. Listening creates invisible leverage. In silence, people reveal what they actually need, not what they pretend to want. Most people listen to reply. The wealthy listen to understand. Because understanding converts faster than persuasion. Listening earns emotional credit. And emotional credit compounds faster than any ad budget. Be the calmest person in every room. Calm makes others open up, and those openings are where opportunity hides. Listening leads to adaptability, the ability to pivot when the world shifts. Skill 11, adaptability without panic. Sophie was a graphic designer when AI tools arrived. Most of her peers mocked them. She studied them. Within months, she was training others, earning more with less effort. Adaptability is not panic, it's curiosity under control. Change doesn't punish the prepared. It punishes the rigid. Every decade, the market rewrites the rules. Those who cling to the old ones vanish quietly. Those who adjust become uncatchable. Flexibility is the new freedom. The world doesn't reward the strongest or the smartest. It rewards those who move without fear. Adaptability creates resilience, and resilience simplifies life. Which brings us to the final skill, the most refined form of intelligence: decision simplicity. Skill 12, the simplicity of decision. Michael had 8 projects, 3 side hustles, endless meetings. Then one day he asked, "What if I just did 2 things perfectly?" He cut everything else. His income stayed the same. His time doubled. Saying no is a raise in disguise. Decision simplicity means you no longer chase every shiny path. You act once well and never revisit it. Every yes costs time. Every no earns it back. Freedom is the absence of unnecessary choices. Pretend success complicates. Real mastery simplifies. Because at the end of all ambition, clarity is the only luxury left. And when your decisions get simple, your life gets silent. The same silence where real wealth lives. Freedom isn't loud. It's practiced. It's structured. It's quiet. The skills that create it aren't rare. They're ignored. If you mastered just a few: focus, emotional control, patience, you'd outgrow most competitors. Add consistency, listening, and timing, and you'd stop competing at all. Money follows mastery. Mastery follows restraint. These are the high-income skills no one brags about, because their proof isn't visible. It's lived. The person who can stay calm, listen deeply, and move with precision doesn't need applause. The results speak quietly, month after month, in peace, not noise. Freedom isn't earned once. It's built daily, through invisible habits that compound without an audience. And in the end, the richest people don't chase opportunity. They create silence. Because silence is where all value begins. If you believe in mastering quiet skills that build real freedom, comment "mastery" below. Subscribe and walk the quieter path toward wealth and self-mastery.